When we write programs, we need a workspace, a place where we can create, run, and test our code. These workspaces are called IDEs, Integrated Development Environments. Each IDE has its own style and strength. Google Colab is simple. It runs in the browser with no setup. Jupyter Notebook is popular for learning and research. It combines code, results, and notes all in one place. VS Code is a professional tool. It has powerful features like debugging and Git support. PyCharm and Spider are heavier IDEs. They are useful for engineers and for larger projects. Think about it. Which one would be the most comfortable for you to start with? Now let's move to the demonstration in each IDE.